Here's how to check if your Wi-Fi calling is on or off to Android. So the first thing that you're going to do is go ahead and go to the settings of your Android device and click on the Wi-Fi connection that you're currently connected with. So if you can't see Wi-Fi calling on the information list on Android, it only means that the Wi-Fi calling has been disabled to your Android or it is off. If you search Wi-Fi calling as well to the settings option, if it's not be seen, it means it is still off. Some devices or some Android phones do not allow Wi-Fi calling, so this is actually a normal for Androids not to have Wi-Fi calling. But you can go to the shop or to the brand of the device that you have and make your device available to Wi-Fi calling. They are just going to put it under the Wi-Fi control or to the Wi-Fi bridge option.